guys. I can't even see. It's so hot. Oh my god. Why am I squeezing her face?
It's so hot.
I swear, Kezia will actually pay for this. Kezia will actually pay for this. Hello. Kezia, can you see this tan I have just Kezia.
Princess.
Sorry, I want to what do you think I've been doing? Because you friends. What's your friend?
Cooking with Kezia. Cooking with Kezia. Cooking with Kezia.
Yo, you made it for me at the Airbnb. I choose this way. That was nice.
Hey, like that to me.
Oh no, that's not what I'm saying. Nice.
Are you okay with that? You just watch this video.
Everybody are keeping straight. Yes, it's so nice. Why have you guys dressed like that? Why?
I'm going to we're going to cafe today, right?
Well, I'm still going. I don't mind you want to go anymore.
Me?
Yeah, you say you don't have money. I don't know what to say.
I don't know.
Yeah, it was in a hamper.
Cooking with Bubba. Cooking with Bubba. Cooking with Bubba. Right? Cheers. Yes.
It's a security lock, so I don't have it.
Look at fake hair. We'll sleep here. What they really do you?
Done.
Oh, we need to do this. This one like.
Oh, me. Myself.
Don't jump.
Yep.
Oh, no, I like the warm one. It's too cool.
You will drink it too. Let it become more. I will not say no one day. But who should drink this cold one?
Oh, my God. So guys, welcome to my crib. This is the movie room. So come. Over here, my movie.
Okay, so I'm taking over. This is the movie room. Yeah. We have this chair. We have this one.
Where Miami just be sitting.
Whoa. This one. And these two solo ones at the back. Where are these people? We didn't even inside on. Oh, we are gonna watch. And I'm full. I will still going to this, and there's still time now. I'm quite. I'm 29. Let's watch episode 1 and see. Yes, I remember this clip. Yeah, this was. I've seen it.
Sorry.
There is no. Sarcasm this man. Oh, you have to separate. You have to hold me. You have to hold me. Tit for tat. You see him, he's frustrated. He's like, what? What is this? What happened, Ke? We are hungry. Why? Really? I'm telling you. That's crazy. She wants to marry him. No. Go inside now. This girl is behaving like something. So slow.
I told you your boss is just back.
Dog barks to warn you he's about to bite.
But the guy is greedy. No, teacher, he's greedy. He's greedy. My own is that you have no business. This person from where did you contribute? Because they're making more than you and you don't know how comes. They are new, like how big problem for you. Big problem for you. Problem for you. I like him. Like when I see his face on the screen, it's like, Nah, I would have never guessed that this man is one of them. I would have never guessed. He's not even giving it off one single bit. Oh man, who is this? Teacher's father. He's so small. Oh man. Oh, this is bad. And he didn't do anything.
I really question myself after this because after all this
I still like him, bro. This woman is annoying.
I'm saying, like, what she's doing is good, but she's so annoying.
It's urgent.
It's actually so nice. I actually can't watch. I actually can't watch. If they're actually about to kill him, I actually cannot watch it. Like, okay, I'm going to cry. I'm actually going to cry. Oh, okay, yeah.
He has entered her heart.
Oh man.
Brother, this time we had to be brother. Turn off the lights. Not going to die. He should do.
I hate him as a person, as a character.
No. The washing lights, not the main light. Oh, Queen Mother.
Oh.
Find out that it was F.A. Who made it? Let's calm down. Apart from him killing 7
several little children.
This woman has sponge wig, I beg. What is this?